Need to get your other devices online using just your iPhone? With iOS 26, Personal Hotspot makes it easy to share your iPhone's cellular data. No Wi-Fi network required. First, open Settings, then tap Personal Hotspot. If you don't see it right away, go to Cellular, then tap Personal Hotspot from there. Turn on Allow Others to Join, and your iPhone will display a unique Wi-Fi password you can share or edit if needed. To connect another iPhone, just open Settings on that device, go to Wi-Fi, and select your iPhone from the list. Enter the password shown on your hotspot iPhone, and you'll be online in seconds. You'll know it's working when a green or blue status bar appears at the top of your iPhone screen, indicating active hotspot use. Want to stop sharing? Just return to Settings, then go to Personal Hotspot and toggle off Allow Others to Join. This is a quick, reliable way to stay connected using just your iPhone. It's great for travel, emergencies, or powering other Apple devices when Wi-Fi isn't available. If this helped, tap like, comment your favorite iPhone trick, and subscribe for more iOS 26 tutorials.